Are you a crafter that loves to create Christmas cards, but sometimes you're just stuck, you don't know where to get started because there's so many different ideas and you've got so many cards to create? Today I'm going to share my basics of where I get started using these beautiful, stunning petite poinsettias. These come in different sizes and styles, so you can really maximize your creativity and create those Christmas cards that you, your friends, and family will love this year. To create the little poinsettias, you're going to use the Christmas Poinsettia and Holly stamp and die set. There are 3 different sizes of poinsettias and 2 different sizes of hollies. So to get started, I stamped the poinsettia with the lipstick red chalk ink, and we're going to add a base layer of sunflower around the edges to kind of create a soft yellowish tint for that poinsettia. You can make these any color that you like based on the papers that you're going to be using. This color works beautifully with the Candlelit poinsettia paper. And then we'll just use the lipstick red chalk ink to go back. I think that's a pretty red for Christmas. And that adds that color to your flower. You can put your die on top, run that through, cut that out, and we're ready to shape them. To shape these poinsettias, we're going to use the 3D Christmas Poinsettia Shaping Mold. You could do these by hand, but if you choose to use the mold, it will be the quick and easy way to shape a bunch of these poinsettias. So you'll just lay your stamped, colored, and die-cut flowers into the mold, stamped side down. Once those are all positioned in place, you'll just put that top on, and that will sandwich that into place. And it'll give beautiful detail. It just presses down. Now the detail with this die is incredible, or the mold. So with this, we'll just run that through your machine. It can pop a little bit. Makes it sound like something is wrong, but that is okay. Then we'll just pop this out. So just take a little bit of a look. Do you see all that beautiful detail? All you have to do is just press down in the middle, and those flowers are ready to be paired together with a stamen or some frills in the center. To layer these flowers together, I like to use a wired and a threaded stamen. So I have 1 gold one and 2 of the threaded pearlized red stamens. So we're just going to go ahead and pop this one down the center and pull these stamens through, and you'll have that beautiful flower center in no time. I just go ahead and pop a hole into the next one. Just make sure that that hole is big enough, yet don't make it too big so that your flower petals tear apart in the center. I like to make sure that my flowers are dry when I'm doing this. So just pop this through. So not only does the flower shaping mold make it easy for you to get the same beautiful flower every single time, but it saves you a lot of time, especially if you're doing all those Christmas cards. So before this comes up, I'll take my hot glue gun and just pop a little bit of glue underneath here, and then push my second flower right up and just alternate those petals. Just push that all the way up, and you can adjust the height and the dimension of that. And all you need to do is just add some glitter, and that finishes off those beautiful poinsettias. The main images within the Candlelit Christmas collection are the Christmas Poinsettia and Holly stamp and die set along with the mold. That's what's going to get you your beautiful dimensional Christmas flowers. Within this set, we also have the Candlelit Poinsettia. There's a large and a small one, along with a Merry Christmas that's on top of each other and long. So that makes it nice to really fit those sentiments on your cards. These get cut out with the coordinating die. Now these are really fun to color, and I'll show you a couple different ways I've done that. I've done that as a background with a circle, and did more of that forget-me-not color with some green, so that's a more non-traditional Christmas color. And here I did it on an A2 size card with a clear backer using a decorative die. I'll show you that in just a little bit. And did more of the traditional Christmas colors here. So lots of different ways that you can use those. And you can use a small one on an A2 size card as well. Within this collection, we also have the Glow of Christmas stamp and die set. With this one, you have the hanging lantern and then a hanging ornament spray and then the holly leaves. This has the coordinating die so everything gets cut out for you. With this one, it's really fun to use it with the decorative die as just a background. Cut an oval, add your Merry Christmas and some flowers. You have some quick and easy Christmas cards with that. You'll notice that the die that you'll see a lot in the background is the Starry Night decorative die. This die has a half a doily and a lace border. This one was used a lot with this lantern, just using the border on the side. So you can use it in the middle. Here is another card using that same border just 2 times as a decorative background, so that really adds some extra interest to your card. And then here's another card using the doily 2 times paired with some poinsettias and that Merry Christmas. So there's lots of fun ways to create those elegant Christmas cards. Within this collection, we have the Candlelit Christmas paper. This has some beautiful kind of starry night, midnight blue, reds, and greens. So it really makes some stunning showstopper cards for your Christmas backgrounds. Now, there's lots of card front panels in here, so all you have to do is just pop those poinsettias on top for some quick, fast, and easy Christmas cards. You'll want to make sure that you get started creating your Christmas cards right away, because if you're like me, Christmas feels like it comes around a little bit sooner each year. If you don't have the Candlelit Christmas Collection yet, make sure to get yours ordered today. I've added the links below for quick and easy ordering. Thank you so much for joining me today. We will see you next time. Bye.